Hello, I'm Ben from Hellfire Creative, and today I'm going to give you some top tips or do's and don'ts on how to film yourself at home. Even with the ease of lockdown restrictions, the world continues to work remotely, and us creatives are still working with clients who want to record footage at home. Whilst filming content on a mobile phone or laptop isn't ideal, it doesn't have to be rubbish. At Hellfire Creative, we have worked with a lot of clients over the past 18 months, helping them to create content in a remote environment. Here's a few simple ways to make your self-recorded footage or presence on a video meeting look more professional. First tip is to keep your camera static. Don't try holding your phone up and film yourself at the same time. This won't work. It looks awful and it will make the viewers feel like there's a minor earthquake happening on the other end of the call, or like they're watching the Blair Witch Project. There's a few ways to keep your camera static. First one is really simple. Pop your phone up against something. Or there's a tripod. You can find these on Amazon for about a tenner. Delivery! But the best way to keep your camera still is to use your laptop's built-in webcam. So unless your IT department has sent you home with a calculator and a notebook, you're going to have access to a pretty decent webcam. Tip 2, sort out your lighting. If you don't want the people in your Zoom call to look like they're speaking to loudmouth Liz,
giving her account of an armed robbery on Crime Watch,
there are some simple ways to get the best lighting for your recording. First thing you need to do is make sure you're not sitting where there is a window behind you. The sun will mess up your camera's auto exposure and change the image constantly. Next, sit where you're facing a light source, for example a lamp. This will light your face up enough so you don't look like you're in witness protection. If it's too bright and you don't have a dimmer, close peg a sheet of white paper to the light. Just remember to take it off again so you don't burn your house down. Another issue we see all the time with these self-filmed interviews is the background is messy, cluttered, and the shelves of... Try and find a neutral background that isn't distraction to the viewer. Also, try and find somewhere private that won't have people walking in and out of shot. If in doubt, lock the door. There's a really important statistic when it comes to video, that 70% of video is audio. So if you're going to continue doing a lot of these self-filmed videos or Zoom meetings, then we suggest you get hold of one of these. A USB condenser microphone will give you a much better quality audio for your video conferences and make sure any recordings you do sound crisp and clear. The reason we suggest the USB mic is for the simple fact it's easy to set up and compatible with almost anything. Last of all, camera position. Your viewers don't want to look up your nose, at your chest, the top of your head. Your camera should be at eye level with a bit of headroom so you don't look decapitated. If you haven't got a desk that's high enough to put your camera at eye level, find some boxes to pile up or use the classic yellow pages. My name, J.R. Hartley. Also, if you look at yourself in the computer, your eye line will be off. You will look disinterested on camera. Always look down the lens. The key with any filming is preparation, so don't just sit at your computer 5 minutes before your meeting is about to begin. Start working your way through these tips 10 to 15 minutes before. It will give you time to troubleshoot any issues with lighting, sound, and location. These simple tips should help your filming skills. They're not going to make you any more interesting, but it will stop you from sending a video of your nostril hair to the prospective clients or a video of your kids eating lunch to the BBC and help you get the best out of your home recording and video conferences. We've added links in the description to all the products we've used in this video, but if you think you need any more advice, please comment below or send us an email. If this video has been helpful, please give it a like and make sure you're subscribed to be notified of new content for Hellfire Creative.